Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this is another vlog on my channel. So guys, in this vlog we're going to be doing reading also, and I'm going to be telling you something more, like what are my interests and what do I want to read and what am I currently reading. So basically it's a reading vlog, but we are going to cover many more things in it. So consider it a reading vlog. So now let's get started. Guys, right now the time is 10:02 and guys my classes are there, so I'll meet you in a while. Till that, stay tuned. So guys, my class is at 10:20 and right now it's 10:05, so thought of just talking to you all. So guys, let me tell you a little bit more in this vlog, in this reading vlog that I'm going to be covering. So guys, I'm going to be telling you about my more hobbies. I'm going to be telling you what am I currently reading and what I'm thinking of reading this month. So it's basically going to be a very interesting vlog, so I hope you will like it. So if you like this vlog and even my videos and my channel, consider liking to my videos and subscribing to my channel. So guys, I'll meet you in a while. So guys, now my classes have finished at 1 o'clock today. So now let's get to the other part of the video. So in this part will be knowing my other hobbies and interests. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, today I'm at a different location to shoot this part of the video. So right now I'm in my drawing room. So guys, my interest or my other hobbies are gardening, dancing and reading. Reading is always there, so gardening and dancing are the other hobbies, but reading is at top. So guys, mainly I love dancing within it, and I also love gardening. And I have also guys, like I have a bitter gourd plant. Let me show it to you. So guys, it's a little bit windy outside in the balcony, so I'm going to show you my bitter gourd plant. So guys, this is the vine. This here, then here, then here, then here, and then it comes here. So guys, it is a big vine, and well, I have two of them, two separately, guys. So yes guys, I love gardening also. So guys, these are my other hobbies. Now let's see what are my interests, or what are my favorites actually, not interests, basically my favorites, because what I told you now were my interests, other interests than reading. So now let's see my favorites. So first, my favorite K-pop band, obviously BTS. Second, my favorite Bollywood singers, Arijit Singh, Neha Kakkar. Third, my favorite Hollywood singer, Justin Bieber especially, and Shakira. Fourthly, my favorite authors, Robin Stevens and Elizabeth Adami. And yes guys, till date these are my favorites. And guys, my current read is Becoming. Yeah guys, like it has been 2 months since I'm reading it, because guys, you know, I'm very lazy at non-fiction honestly, so it's taking a little bit of time. So still like finishing it, not still finished, like it's really fat as well, because I don't have a habit of reading such fat books, and I think this must be the second fat book that I have taken. So it's taking a bit of time to be finished, and yes, but I'm still getting my progress into it. So this is my current read, and now let's get to the next part of the video, that is what am I thinking to read next after Becoming. So let's get started. This reading list is basically the TBR for December. So guys, in this month's TBR, the first book that I want to read is The Boy with Striped Pajamas. Second, The Night Diary by Veera Hidnani. The Whole Kingdom of Fantasy series. Like, yeah, I have made this goal a lot of times but never be able to complete. So yeah, not Whole Kingdom of Fantasy series, but at least 2 or 3 of it, or even 1 would work. Yeah. So guys, next on my TBR is Life of Pi, and it is a very like good novel. Like there are so many mixed reviews, so I actually don't know, but I still want to explore it a bit more. Then the next that comes on my, or the last that comes on my reading TBR is another mystery or some new sort of genre. Like yeah guys, I love exploring genres. Like yeah, just the previous month I just explored murder mystery, but now I'm thinking to explore more like comedy or something like that, or even mysteries. So let's see on what genre do I catch up. So yeah, guys, this was for my vlog. I hope you loved this vlog, and this was basically a reading vlog because we talked a lot about reading in this. So consider it a reading vlog, as I said in the starting of the video, and consider liking my videos, sharing my videos, commenting on my videos, and subscribing to my channel. I'll meet you the next week, guys, and I'm again apologizing for not posting videos for the previous 3 weeks because, guys, you need to understand, my exams are going on, my UTs are going on, and I was busy in the preparations and as well as in the exams. So we have to understand the circumstances, no? So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and thanks for watching.